is the external structure of human heart. The size of human heart is like a once closed fist. Human heart is the hollow muscular pumping organ which collect impure blood from the body and transfer pure blood to the body, collect impure or deoxygenated blood and transfer it to the lung, and collect pure blood from or oxygenated blood from the lung, and this pure blood then supplied to whole body, each and every cell. Most important function of the heart. Human heart beats normally 72 times per minute and supply pure blood to the body and collecting pure blood from the body. Externally, human heart shows mainly 4 chambers, or internally it shows 4 perfect chambers are there. Upper 2 chambers are called as auricles, lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles. Heart, human heart consists upper 2 chambers, that is called as auricles, lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles. Auricles, right auricle, left auricle, ventricles, right ventricle, left ventricle. Right auricle receives impure blood from the body, that means upper part of the body like head, from which impure blood or deoxygenated blood collected by superior vena cava and enters into right auricle. While lower part of the body, from the lower part of the body, impure or deoxygenated blood collected by inferior vena cava and opens into right auricle. That means right side of the heart concerned with the impure blood. While left auricle receives pure blood from the lungs through these 4 pulmonary veins. Actually, all the arteries inside the body carries pure blood, except one exceptional case is there, that is the pulmonary artery carries impure blood from the heart towards the lung for purification. While all the veins carries impure blood or deoxygenated blood, but exception case is pulmonary veins. Why? Pulmonary veins carry or transfers pure blood from the lungs to the heart. These 4 pulmonary veins carries pure blood from the lungs and opens into left auricle. Okay. Then lower part of the heart is somewhat triangular. Actually, human heart located in the mid-asternal cavity in between the 2 lungs and slightly left at slightly left side. These ventricles are somewhat triangular, right ventricle and left ventricle. Upper wall of the human heart, look here, wall of the human heart is supplied with oxygenated blood. Actually, aorta is red colored and artery blue colored. Here main aorta which supplies pure blood to the body, and that aorta immediately from the aorta, coronary sinus and coronary artery supplies pure blood to the wall of the heart. The most important organ, that is the heart. Heart supplies pure blood to whole body, but it said heart is supplied with pure blood by this coronary artery, and impure blood or deoxygenated blood from the heart wall is collected by coronary veins. Coronary artery and coronary veins. If there is a deposition of cholesterol inside the coronary artery, then what happens? If there are blockages, then what happens? There is a less amount of oxygen received by the heart wall cells, and that cells can be seized or stop their working. That is called as cardiac arrest or heart attack. So that there are 2 surgeries are there. First angiography and then angioplasty. Stent can be inserted inside this coronary artery and the blood flow can be continued by this surgery. Before some years ago, there is one major surgery that is called as bypass surgery. But in today's world, sophisticated medical science, there is a angioplasty. Stent is inserted, spring-like structure is there, which is inserted, which can continue the blood flow. Okay, blockages are removed. Here, human heart is richly supplied with blood with oxygen, because most efficient cells are present inside the heart of the human. There are 3 in the heart wall, 3 layers are there. epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Because of for the efficient working, all these muscles should be work efficiently inside the heart. Heart wall muscles are specific cardiac muscles, and cardiac muscles are under control of SA node. SA node is present in the right wall of right auricle, where rhythm of contraction is originated. Therefore, heart beats per minute how many times? 72 times per minute in average adult person. At the time of illness or at the time of diseases, the heartbeat can be increased. At the time of exercise, heartbeats are increased. But that heartbeats are originated from the SA node, then AV node, then bundle of His and Purkinje's fiber. These are present. This machinery of the contraction and relaxation of the heart is present in the wall of the heart, and that wall of the heart is made up of how many layers? 3 layers: epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Specific cardiac muscles are present inside the heart wall. Okay, and these muscles are very efficient muscles as compared to the other body muscles, because human heart comparatively work from in the embryonic stage at the time of 4th or 5th, at the time of 3 to 4th month, that human heart gets started, and the working of human heart end up to their lifespan. That means it is stopped at the time of death only. Okay, that means the average person's lifespan, that is, if there is 100 years, then what happens? That human heart works for that 100 years. Okay, therefore it is most efficient working machine in the world. Without maintenance, without oiling, that machine or that human heart works continuously day and night. Therefore, the structure of human heart is very specific. Upper 2 chambers are called as, these upper 2 chambers are auricle, lower 2 chambers are ventricles. Externally, lower chamber looks like a single, but internally 2 chambers, upper 2 chambers auricle, lower 2 chambers are ventricles. Externally, it is clearly seen that red colored coronary arteries are there, blue colored coronary veins are there. Then large aorta collect the pure blood from the ventricle. Pure blood present at the left side, and ventricle coming from this left ventricle, and that pure blood goes to each and every part of the cell through this aorta. Then impure blood from this right side enters into the coronary artery, and that pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery supplies impure blood to the lungs for purification of oxygenation. Right side pulmonary artery supplies right lung, left side pulmonary artery supplies left lung. Why there is a transport of impure blood to the lungs? For purification or for oxygenation, and that oxygenated blood then coming to the heart left auricle through these pulmonary veins. Overall, human heart externally divided into 4 chambers. Here, human heart is hollow muscular pumping organ of the body. Size: once close the fist. Location: in between the 2 lungs in the mediastinum cavity. Heart is protected by the pericardial membrane. 2 pericardial membranes are there. In between pericardial membrane, pericardial fluid is there. During the time of heartbeat, contraction and relaxation, it acts as a lubricant and absorbs mechanical shocks during mechanical injury. Therefore, protection is the main function of pericardial membrane. Heart is protected by pericardial membrane and pericardial fluid. Heart wall consists how many layers? 3 layers: epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. Human heart consists 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called auricles, lower 2 chambers called ventricles. Right auricle receives impure blood through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. SVC collect impure blood from head, IVC collect impure blood from the lower part of the body. Left auricle receives pure blood from the lungs through the 4 pulmonary veins, and aorta is the main artery, supplies pure blood or oxygenated blood to the body. Pulmonary artery carries impure blood to the lungs for purification, and coronary artery supplies oxygenated blood to the heart wall. Coronary veins collect deoxygenated blood from the heart wall. What is the function of heart? Supplies pure blood to the body and collect impure blood from the body.